boy, here we go. We got some jets out here at Woodburn on a cloudy Saturday. Get ready to hold your ears. All right, we're over here at the Woodburn Dragstrip. It's the season opener, the 42nd annual. Over here in the arcade area. We're racing on a cloudy Saturday. All right, let's lead off with some front engine diggers here. Looks like we got one guy blown and injected on alky here. We got another injected. No backup girls with this crew. Alright, it's a little bit after 6 over here at Woodburn, and we've been racing for over 9 hours now, and we've got a little something going on down track after that last pass. They're checking out the track. The famous Woodburn Tower. Here's one for you alcohol addicts!
And the win light's gonna go for Sanders. 6.
Woodburn Dragstrip, the NHRA meet.
What a bracket car he's got.
Here's one for you alcohol addicts! Woodburn Dragstrip, the NHRA meet.
What a bracket car he's got.
Final time run.
Both these drivers with a pair of red light starts.
Right on his dial-in. They're burning down the tree over here. Steve's short burnout. First round elimination. Down.
Slow at the top of the race.
All right, we're gonna take a look at this here funny car. We're gonna do it right now, and I mean right now. So getting this thing ready to make a pass right down that track. It's got a big blown Hemi underneath it. 57 Chevrolet. What? How big is that motor?
It's a 484.
484 Hemi?
Yeah, it's a TFX.
Chrysler Hemi, huh? Is that all aluminum?
Yeah, it's a TFX with Brad fuel heads on it.
Ah. How big's that blower?
It's a 1471.
This thing
looks little fuel. Runs good. We ran a 669 with it here recently, so it's a 675 index car. It's only supposed to run a 675.
Oh, I gotcha.
So we have to actually kind of detune it to make it.
Oh, I see.
Run the index number.
Okay, he runs on an index.
Yeah, it's called Double B Funny Car. Alcohol Nostalgia Funny Car.
This is the alcohol nostalgia class.
Right.
It's blown and injected on alky. Yes, indeed.
They call it Double B. Double A would be nitro. This is Double B alcohol.
Righto. All right. Little driver right down in there. He is ready. All right. All we got to do is get this track cleaned up, and we're going to watch this guy run. Okay, so if he pops a wheelie, see, this is what he's going to see right there. The Pro Nostalgia class running out here at Woodburn today. We got some pretty cool shit running out here, like this green monster right here. Old front engine digger with an injected big block Chevy. Notice the trick hold downs on that. How big a motor are you running?
505.
Yeah, you have to run cast iron heads, don't you? In this class?
Nitro methane. I don't want to deal with seats coming loose. So.
Ah, oh, okay. Oh, this is the one. Is this the one that's on 100% nitro? Oh, I thought I heard him mention one.
Spud is. His shakes. His goes.
What is that?
I'm dabbling. I'm on 30. It's a
30?
fresh motor. It's second. Only got 2 passes on it, so it's still rich.
All right, he's got 2 passes on this thing. Is that not Inderley? Is that Hillborn injection?
Yeah.
Right on. He's got an old Hunt Magneto on the thing and zoomies. Wouldn't there used to be an old digger called Green Mamba way back? I seem to remember one. Yes, indeed. All right, well, this guy's going to be running that funny car once they get everything straightened up here, which looks like it's about to happen. It's getting time for action here. Let's light these babies off. Alrighty then. We'll watch these guys in action. Here we go. Right on. All right, well, they had to push the green one back. We're gonna fire up another front engine digger here. Ready for another burnout? Let's do it.
There's a decent burnout there for Pat Curtis.
And he's motioning him back.
Pat Curtis. Back him all the way up and shut him off.
We're feeling some raindrops here. Well, the occasional raindrop starts to fall here as we move on into 6:30 out here at Woodburn, racing in the clouds all day long. And this is what we do when it rains. Put her to bed. Alrighty, then the rain started coming down and we put everything away. The rumble off in the distance is everybody packing it in. They've had to call this here race after over 9 hours. It's been raining in Portland all day long. But we got in 9 hours of racing here. Tomorrow is another day. We'll be at it again.